Hello everyone, thank you once again for coming back to watch my videos. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I'm sharing with you this refreshing and healthy smoothie for weight gain recipe with you all. Very fast recipe and you are going to love it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do subscribe. Hit that bell also so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Let's get started. For this smoothie recipe, I'll be needing my dates. Next, I'll need my honey. I'll also need some papaya or pawpaw, very fresh. This is straight from the backyard. Next, I'll also need my milk. I'm using evaporated milk. To that, I'm also going to need my Fante KENKEY. And trust me, only this Fante KENKEY is 100% assured that you are going to gain your weight, because with this, after sleeping, you are going to gain a whole lot of weight. Trust me on this one. Next, I'll also go in with some bananas, and last but not the least, I'll add in my roasted peanuts. Okay, you can also use the butter one if that is what you have. Next, to a blender, I'll go in with all my ingredients, which is the roasted peanuts, my dates. If you don't have the dates, you can substitute it for sugar or any sweetener of your choice. Okay, I will then go ahead and add in my pawpaw. I didn't use the whole of the pawpaw. And next, I'll add in my Fante KENKEY. Next, I'll go in with my bananas and my sweet honey. And I'll also go ahead and add in my milk. I'll rinse the milk a little bit because why not? I'm not leaving anything out. Alright, so now let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am truly grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. So now I'll be blending this until it is nice and smooth, just the way you're seeing it on your screen right now. Now all that is left is for us to serve and enjoy ourselves. This recipe is loaded with goodies and you are going to fall in love with it. My family really enjoyed it and I hope your family is going to also enjoy it as well. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you for watching.